Hey everyone, welcome back to TutorTalks. I'm Lara, and today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, food.
Food, the one thing that connects everyone, no matter where you're from.
Exactly. And when we learn English, we usually start with simple things like, what's your name? Or where are you from?
But the moment someone asks, what's your favorite food? Poof, your mind goes blank.
Yes, you know what you love to eat, but somehow the words just disappear.
So let's fix that today. We're going to help you talk about your favorite food naturally, not like a textbook, but like a real English speaker.
And while we chat, you'll learn some super useful words, easy expressions, and even a few cultural tips about food.
So, Laura, let's start simple. What's your favorite food?
That's a hard one. But if I had to pick, I'd say pasta. It's warm, cozy, and reminds me of home.
Good choice. I think mine would be sushi. It's light, colorful, and feels fresh every time.
So here's a tip for everyone listening. When someone asks you, what's your favorite food? Don't just name it. Add a reason.
Yes, that's what makes your answer interesting and personal.
For example, you could say, I love pizza because it's cheesy and comforting, or my favorite food is sushi because it's fresh and healthy.
Okay, your turn to try. Ready? Repeat after me, slowly. I love pasta because it reminds me of home. I like spicy noodles because they wake me up.
Nice. Adding reasons makes your English sound alive.
Let's talk about words that describe food. If you only say, I like pizza, that's okay, but it's not very rich.
Right. You can add adjectives like sweet, spicy, crispy, creamy, or fresh.
Let's practice. Say this. I love ice cream because it's sweet and creamy.
Or, I enjoy fried chicken because it's crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside.
Perfect. See how those words make your sentence come alive?
Okay, imagine this. You're at a restaurant. The waiter asks, are you ready to order? What do you say?
You can reply, yes, I'd like a bowl of soup, please. Or, can I have the chicken salad?
Notice how Jack used please. That one small word makes your English polite and natural.
And if you want to ask for something special, say, can I have it without onions? Or, could you make it less spicy, please?
Let's do a quick role play. I'll be the waiter, Jack, and you be the customer.
All right, let's go.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled fish, please.
Would you like any sides?
Yes, I'll have some rice, please.
Excellent. And anything to drink?
Just water, thank you.
Perfect. See, it's simple, polite, and sounds natural. Now, what if you don't like a certain food? How do you say that politely?
Good question. Instead of saying, I hate it, you can say, it's not really my thing. Or, I'm not a big fan of spicy food. Or, I don't usually eat fast food.
These phrases sound friendly and respectful. English speakers love soft language.
You know, Laura, food is more than just taste. It's about memories.
That's true. My favorite memory is eating pasta with my family every Sunday. The smell of garlic and tomatoes, it always makes me smile.
For me, it's chicken soup. My mom used to make it when I was sick. It still feels like a warm hug.
That's beautiful. Learners, you can do this too. Say, I love pancakes because my dad used to make them on weekends.
Or, hot chocolate makes me feel like a child again.
When you add memories, your English becomes real, not just correct, but emotional.
Okay, vocabulary time. Let's learn 7 useful words to describe food.
Number 1, savory. It means rich in flavor, not sweet. Example, I love savory snacks like fries.
Number 2, tender, soft and easy to chew. Example, the meat is tender and juicy.
Number 3, crunchy. Example, these cookies are crunchy and fun to eat.
Number 4, flavorful, full of taste. This soup is flavorful and delicious.
Number 5, spicy. Hot with strong flavor. Indian curry is very spicy.
Number 6, fresh, something just made or natural. This salad tastes fresh.
And number 7, rich, heavy, and full of flavor. This chocolate cake is so rich.
Let's repeat together. Savory,
Tender,
crunchy,
flavorful,
spicy,
fresh.
rich. Perfect.
Let's spice things up with some food idioms.
Oh, yes. Idioms make your English colorful.
Number 1, piece of cake. It means something easy. That test was a piece of cake.
Number 2, spill the beans. It means to share a secret. Come on, spill the beans.
Number 3, cool as a cucumber. Calm and relaxed. She stayed cool as a cucumber during the presentation.
Number 4, have a lot on your plate. It means you're busy. I can't hang out today. I have a lot on my plate.
I think you always have a lot on your plate, Jack.
You're not wrong.
Idioms are fun because they show emotion and culture, not just vocabulary.
You know, when you travel, food is a universal language.
Absolutely. In Japan, people say itadakimasu before eating. In Italy, meals are slow and full of conversation.
Food isn't just about eating, it's about connection, love, and gratitude.
So next time you're eating with someone, you can say, everything looks delicious, or thank you, this is wonderful.
And if you're full, say, I'm full, thank you, it was really good.
Politeness and gratitude always make your English warmer.
Okay, learners, let's do a final speaking practice together. Repeat after us. I'm a big fan of pasta. I can't live without tea. I'm craving ice cream.
Nice. Now, one more. Add your reason. My favorite food is... because...
Great job. Remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about being real.
You know, Jack, learning English is like cooking. The first time might be messy, the second time gets better, and the third time it tastes just right.
That's true. Mistakes are just part of the recipe.
So don't worry if you say something wrong. Every word adds flavor to your learning journey.
I love that. Every mistake makes your English more delicious.
All right, friends. Now it's your turn. In the comments, tell us, what's your favorite food and why?
Use one of today's phrases and we might feature your answer in the next episode.
Warmly, keep learning, keep smiling, and keep your English warm, like your favorite meal.
This is Jack.
And I'm Lara.
Thanks for learning with Tutor Talks. See you next time.